Hi! In front of me is TCL 205 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and click on it. Now select alarm at the top left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Following that, set up an hour and click on the switcher next to repeat if you want your event to repeat. If you do, you need to pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. I will go with Fridays and Wednesdays. Then tap on this switcher next to vibration to switch it off or on and tap on label. Now label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and tap on OK. After that, select ringtone and tap on the best melody for you, like birds. But you can also tap on add new. Click on those three lines at the top left corner and tap on one of the resources, like downloads. Then tap on the song that you wish to apply. Mine is in Send Annual folder, and go back. Following that, if you wish to save your alarm, click on the check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully added. In order to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it. Then select the spin icon at the top right corner and now it's gone. If you wish to adjust more alarm settings, just tap on those three dots at the top right corner as well and adjust all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!